Hello everybody and welcome or welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the morons we see out here on the road. A bit like Captain Clueless here in the red car, camping in the outside lane, and his mate who just cut in there, proving that people who've had a lobotomy can still operate a car. Or this end of line evolution failure up near Donington Park racetrack somewhere, giving us a perfect example of how to overtake a row of vehicles. Then you get muppets like this, camping in the outside lane with less mental activity than a bar of soap, realise they've got to come off at the last minute and they just cut across to the left. That's the sort of mug who thinks Virgin Mobile is a nun on an e-scooter. Right, stay tuned till the end because I'm giving away a brand new Next-based Dashcam and mini SD card, both worth 150 quid, absolutely free. Now we've all been in situations like this, ain't we? We need to get round the roundabout and get into the supermarket car park on a busy Saturday, but you can't because the queue to get into the car park starts at the roundabout. Now for most safe drivers with average or above average intelligence, that means you're in for a bit of a wait. But when your IQ is the same as the number was printed inside of a 5-year-old shoe and you drive a vehicle was adorned with the 4 circles of privilege, then obviously you're going to use such a situation to show everybody else what a massive Joe Blunt you are. And there's another undipped sheep who thinks just because he drives an Audi can do what he likes and park where he likes. That's the sort of driver that when he's skint and really needs money, he pulls over every 10 minutes to put his clock forward in his car because he's heard it's called daylight saving. Here we go, very dark road, bit of ice, bit of snow, perfect conditions for some idiot with the mental agility of an empty shoebox to pull straight out in front of you and smash your car to bits. Now, when it comes to letting people know that you've got less intelligence than a barnacle on an old rusty ship, nothing beats driving on the hard shoulder at speed. And if there's no hard shoulder nearby to drive on and risk getting 6 points and a big fine, as this low IQ, real flat tyre decision makers showing us, then you can use one of the many footpaths or pavements we got here in the UK, especially if you're in a rush to get home to see your mum and dad, who not only share the same chromosomes, they've also got the same uncle. Now, some drivers out there have got the same ability to anticipate road situations as a food blender has the ability to wash clothes. The driver of that red car was only paying attention to 2 metres in front of his car and nothing else what was happening around him. The channel that gives value, 2 crayon eaters, 1 clip. There goes number 1, straight through the red light. And of course the BMW has to go through a red light. Right foot strong, brains all wrong. The pair of them have got brains like an empty stadium. Lots of structure, no activity. Okay, so here's Hubert on his motorbike, sitting behind the tractor as we see, in a bit of traffic, minding his own business. But matey behind in the blue car who's got the mental capacity of a dead rat just hits him straight in the rear. Sharp as a bag full of wet hair, some of these drivers out here, honestly. Sometimes it's really hard to find a parking space. You got more chance of finding a unicorn sometimes. But when you're as mentally slow as a drifting iceberg in the Atlantic, well then obviously the zigzags right next to the zebra is an absolutely fine choice to make. Now don't worry, if you can't find a suitable zigzag line or zebra crossing to park on and you're as mentally slow as 2 tortoises shagging, then the footpath is your friend. Now just bear in mind that non-reader with his blank page intellect parked his car, got out of it, looked at it and said, yeah, that'll do. Okay, so this week's Darwin Award nominee comes to you by courtesy of Nottinghamshire Police. Now this 2-brain cell empty tank problem solver must be so inbred I guaranteed he's the only person to have a single name wedding in his village. Now it's one thing following a tram or train on the smooth, but when you get onto the actual tracks and you start getting bumped around, something must stir, something must rustle in that blank empty nothingness between your ears. This space cadet here did end up with a suspended prison sentence and a 5-year driving ban. I'll put a link to the news article relating to this down in the video description below this video. Now nothing quite lets other road users know that there's more activity going on in a paused video than what's going on inside your brain, like not paying attention and nearly hitting a car up the rear. Black car, black wheels, black windows, black empty void between the ears. I see patterns developing here. Right, on to the free giveaway in a second. Just want to say really sorry I'm a day late and the video's short, but I've been up to my eyes in it this week. Back to normal next week, hopefully. Right, first of all, this is nothing to do with Nextbase. It's no sponsorship. It's just a little gift from me to you, my lovely viewers, to say thank you for all your support over the past couple of years. So, all you need to do to enter to get your chance to win this Dashcam is email me at roadmoronsviewer@gmail.com and in the subject, just write viewer. No message, nothing else. That's all you need to write. Even if you don't want a brand new dashcam, email me at that email address and just write viewer in the subject, exactly the same, and you'll be on my viewer list. So if the channel gets deleted or something happens, I can contact you and let you know exactly where I am. All entrants must be subscribed to the channel. I'll announce the winner in the first week in April, and I'll put all the details of this down in the description below this video. So please like and subscribe to the video. Have a fantastic weekend, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.